Hello everyone, our lesson for today is all about history of mathematics. Now, mathematics has no generally accepted definition. It came from the Greek word mathema, which means knowledge, study, and learning. It is also described as this abstract study of topics encompassing quantity, structure, space, change, and other properties. Now, let's go to the different persons who were great contributors in the world of mathematics. The first one was Galileo Galilei in 1564 to 1642, and he had this to say about mathematics. The universe cannot be read until we have learned the language and become familiar with the characters in which it is written. It is written in mathematical language, and the letters are triangles, circles, and other geometrical figures, without which means it is humanly impossible to comprehend a single word. Without this, one is wandering about in a dark labyrinth. The next persons were Carl Frederick Goose in 1777 and 1855, and he referred to mathematics as the science that, or as this queen of science. And then Benjamin Peirce in 1809 to 1880 called mathematics as a science that draws necessary conclusion. The next one is David Hilbert. So we are not speaking here of arbitrariness in any sense, according to him. Mathematics is not like a game whose tasks are determined by arbitrarily stipulated rules. Rather, it is a conceptual system possessing internal necessity that can only be so and by no means otherwise. And then Albert Einstein in 1879 to 1955 stated that as far as the laws of mathematics refer to reality, they are not certain, and as far as they are certain, they do not refer to reality. Mathematics is used throughout the world as an essential tool in many fields, including natural science, engineering, medicine, and the social sciences. Now let's proceed to the ancient world. So, how come mathematics is what it is today? The mathematics applied today has its roots in ancient Egypt and Babylonia, which grew rapidly in Greece. This ancient Greek mathematics, along with some Hindu mathematics, was translated into Arabic and then Latin, and making it the mathematics of Western Europe. After some time, it became the mathematics of the world. Other cultures have developed some form of mathematics as well, but did not have much influence on current international mathematics. Through the use of abstraction and logical reasoning, mathematics evolved from counting, measurement, and calculation to the systematic study of objects, relationships, and systems. In today's mathematics, it has two broad divisions, and these are the applied and pure mathematics. Applied mathematics provides the tools needed to shape the world, while pure math, where mathematicians develop theorems and seek proofs, is the esoteric part of the discipline. Applied mathematics also progressed because of necessity, and the Egyptians devised a mathematical system designed to meet their needs for accurate surveying. Their methods were functional and approximate, using brute force and trial and error to find solutions. As their great monuments attest, this worked for them. On the other hand, the Babylonians began to look at the theoretical side of mathematics, studying relationships between numbers and patterns. All of these were passed on to the Greeks, who also benefited from the Egyptians. The Greeks were the first to concentrate on pure mathematics. They believed that all mathematical knowledge could be derived from reasoning. It was with them that the axiomatic method, where abstraction and proof are key, flourished. In the axiomatic method, a number of commonly accepted assumptions called axioms or postulates are made. From this, other results in the form of lemmas, theorems, and corollaries are proved using logical and mathematical reasoning. The Romans, however, took mathematics back to the applied realm, using it to build bridges, temples, and aqueducts. Now let's proceed to the Middle Ages. During this period, mathematics fell into a decline that lasted for about 1,000 years, except in China, India, and the Arab world, where mathematics continued to thrive. One of the few bright spots in European mathematics during this period was the work of Fibonacci, who helped open Europe to the Arabic mathematical methods. At this point, an era in mathematics came to an end, and the modern world was born. So that ends the first part of the history of mathematics. In the next video, I will be discussing about the modern era. Have a good day, everyone.